हरि करना।
We have seen enough about Maven, what is Maven, and what is architecture of the Maven, and what's the flow, what's build process, and which file we use, what's the difference between XML and HTML file, and all those things we have seen, and we have seen the different build, different life cycles and phases in life cycle, and so now it's time to put Maven into practice. So let's begin with installation procedure. So Maven is a Java tool. So you must have a Java installed in order to proceed further uh, to work with Maven. So for that, what will we do is we will download. We have two options. You can directly print the binary file of Maven and then put into their respective location in the binary files directory of EC2 instance, or else we can use uh, the package management tool to download it. So anyway, let's launch our EC2 instance, and then inside that we are gonna install our application. So let me go with the Mumbai itself, from the Mumbai region. So let me click on EC2 dashboard and click on launch a new instance, and name of the instance is Maven server. Go with the Ubuntu 20 is fine. Ubuntu 20 AMI Amazon machine image is fine. Then T2, I'll go with the small at least because we're gonna do build process. I want it to complete quickly, not it should not take more time. So let me create a new key pair. So I would say Maven key. Create a key pair. Then it's time to edit our network settings. So as usual, name I would give Maven as G, and I will paste here also. Then security group rules, I'll put it my IP. Rest all I'll keep it same. I don't touch anything else. Okay. So let me launch an instance. So it's getting launched. By the time it launches, let's get into the downloads. So it's not responding. Let's wait for few seconds till it responds. Yeah. So now let me get into the downloads folder and cut the key pair and paste it in exercises. So I'll paste it here. In here I can open. So let me go to the instances instances console or instances dashboard. So here you can see your Maven server is up and running. So let me click on this. So go to the connect and go to the SSH client and copy the SSH client command for the doing SSH into the maven server. So now let me get into this folder. So here I'm gonna open git bash, and so let me, yes, so paste it, the SSH command. So are you sure want to continue connecting? Yes, of course. So now it's getting connected. It's connected. So I do sudo and I'll become a root user and clear the screen now. So now let's start the installation process. So as usual, as I said before, if you want to install Maven as a dependency, it requires Java development kit. So Java development kit is must and should. So for that, what we'll do is we'll install that. So before that, we will update the package apt update. Okay, so 9 packages can be upgraded. That's okay. But overall, reading package lists done, building dependency tree, reading state information done. So anyway, the apt update is done. So now let's install Java development kit first for Maven. So normally Java development kit version 8 is preferable, so that's the reason we're going to install that only. So apt is the package management tool we are using an apt install. So open jdk and hyphen 8 version we are gonna use and jdk, and I say why, so you don't ask me, you just install it. So it's installing open jdk 8 version. So it's Java development kit version 8 or 1.8 if you see the binary file. So this is compatible with Maven, so that is the reason we are installing this Java development kit. So once it is installed, then we will check whether it's installed properly, it's been installed properly or not. That's the reconfirmation, reconfirming the installation of Java development kit. Once that's been installed properly, so then we will go for maven installation. So just to put it on a sticky note, so it would be much easier for you to uh, relate it. So here I would say, so maven installation procedure. So apt, this is for Ubuntu, apt update, then after that Java installation. So for that I would say apt install open jdk 8 jdk and option Y. Then Java installation is done. Once Java installation is done, so let's cross check the version. So we say Java version, then we will do the maven installation. Okay, apt install maven. So let's cross check the version of Java hyphen version. So congrats, 8.4. So open JDK version 8.4352. Open JDK Java Development Kit runtime environment is this. So 64-bit server virtual machine is fine. It's mixed. So Java version, it's able to show means your Java has been successfully installed. So now what's next? So now nothing much. It's time to install Maven. So apt install Maven, and I'd say S. So don't ask me, it just install. So it's installing Java development kit was being installed, and then it's installing apt install maven. So once installation is done, so then we'll just cross check the maven version. So maven version, so it confirms whether maven was installed properly or not. Even after installing, if java was not there, so we can't we can't access the commands of the maven, so that would be difficult too. So that's the reason. Let's cross check for both. So maven got installed successfully, so now I hope it's successful, and you can find the binary file location. So update alternatives using user share maven bin mvn to provide, or user bin mvn, whichever the way. Okay, let me do the maven and version. So successful, and Apache Maven 3.6.3 and Maven Home. This is very important. This Maven Home, or we have Java Home. So Maven Home or Java work directory is very important when you deal with Jenkins. Anyway, in our next part of this module, we'll be dealing with Jenkins. So there I will be asking this same question. So that's why please remember the location for /user and then /share, and then that's where you will find the Maven file. So you can find remaining information also, but this is how we install. With this, we have successfully installed java as well as maven. So I say mvn and help. So here you can see that maven help, you will find different options, and majorly you will find the small set of commands which are very useful in automating the build process. You see that maven mvn is the maven main command. Then after that you'll get options. Then here you have to mention the goals, and here you have to mention the phases. This is the syntax of mvn maven. Okay, so now